Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I want to teach you how to play the praise and worship song, Sing to the King, written by Billy Foote. Just a great song on this. So you can download the lyrics and chord chart that I'll be using for free. Just look at my description below and there's a link there to Ultimate Guitar Tabs that you can download the chart and lyrics. So let's get started. Sing to the King who is coming to reign. Glory to Jesus, the Lamb that was slain. Life and salvation His empire shall bring, and joy to the nation when Jesus is King. Come, let us sing a song declaring that we belong to Jesus. He's all I need. Lift up a heart of praise. Sing now with voices raised to Jesus. Sing to the King. Okay, the chords to play this song will be E major. Looking at E major, and if it's too low, just use the capo on the first fret or second fret and just play the same chord shapes along, just whatever suits your vocal range. So E major, and then B, we'll just slide up to the 8th and 9th fret, and then A sus2, and then we'll be using the F sharp minor. So those are the chords for the entire song, in addition to D sus2. Okay, so I'll show you the verse first with E major. Okay, you place your first finger on string number 3 of the first fret, and then finger number 2 on the 5th string of the 2nd fret, finger number 3 on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, then strum all strings. That is E major, E major, okay? And then B at 11, just slide up to the 8th and 9th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then keep your same shape as the E major chord. So that finger number 1 is still on string number 3, finger number 2 is still on string number 5 on the next fret, and then finger number 3 is still on string number 4 of that fret next to it there, okay? And then go ahead and strum all strings but this top E string. And be sure and let that bottom E string ring out. That is a B add 11, okay? You can play just a B chord, but I think it sounds good having this open chord. So E major, then slide up to fret number 8 and 9, and then A sus2, you'll just be using these two fingers here. Finger number 2 will be placed on string number 4 of the 2nd fret. Finger number 3 will be placed on string number 3 of the 2nd fret. Then strum all strings but this top E string. A sus2, beautiful chord. Okay, so you got E major, slide up to frets 8 and 9, B at 11, then take these fingers down one string, and then on the 2nd fret there, you'll have the A sus2. See? So to make the E major chord, these two fingers are going up 2 strings. Then place finger number 1 on string number 3. A sus2, you're just simply moving these two fingers down 1 string. Okay, so you can kind of keep the shape of these two fingers locked in after you slide up to the B11. So E major, B at 11, slide those fingers down 2. A sus2. So you just kind of go back and forth on those 3 chords for the verse. So if we look at the chord progression of the verse, it goes, sing to the King who is coming to reign. And do it again. Glory to Jesus, the Lamb that was slain, life and salvation his empire shall bring, and joy to the nation when Jesus is King. And I'm just doing a simple down up strumming pattern. Okay, let's look at the chords used on the chorus. We'll be using E major, F sharp minor, A sus 2 again, and then D sus 2. It's just like the D shape, but then they lift up on finger number 2. So you'll be, to play the D sus 2, you'll be placing finger number 1 on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. Then strum the bottom 4 strings. That's D sus 2, D sus 2. Okay, so that's all the chords there. E major, that you already know. F sharp minor, to play that, you just keep your finger number 1 after the E major, keep it on the 3rd string of the 1st fret, just keep it planted on that string and just slide it up 1 fret, and then use finger number 4, 3, and 4, place those on strings 5 and 4 of the 4th fret, and then strum all strings with this top E string. That is F sharp minor. Okay, to play that, finger number 1 is on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, finger number 3 is on the 5th string of the 4th fret, finger number 4 is on the string number 4 of the 4th fret, strum all strings with this top E string here. That's F sharp minor. Okay, A sus 2, and then back to E major, and then the D sus 2 that I showed you earlier. Okay, so to play the chorus, if we look at the chord progression, we'll play it real slow. Come, let us sing a song declaring that we belong to Jesus. He's all we need. Lift up a heart of praise. Sing now with voices raised to Jesus. Sing to the King. Okay, the 2nd verse is the same chord progression, and the 3rd verse in the chorus, and it just simply repeats. So it's really a very easy song to play. You got F sharp minor that you may not be used to, and maybe that D sus 2 you may not be used to, but you know, they're real easy chords. You just got to get used to playing those chords and this chord progression in this manner. So it's just a great song. So if you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure and hit the like button after this video. If you're not a current subscriber, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. It's free, there's no obligation. It just simply bookmarks my channel onto your subscription so I can easily be found, and you can follow my guitar courses for free. I'd like to thank all my current subscribers as well. I appreciate your support. So you guys have a great day. God bless you.